Hey guys, I just got this beautiful perfume set. This one is so amazing. Let's see it. Look how beautifully they packed. I'm obsessed. The first one is this Oud Ocean. This is a marine woody oud with salt, like sea salt, smoke, and ambergris. Now we have here Dawn Rose, sweet rose with strawberry, peony, and caramel. I'm obsessed. And Midnight Poppy. It's bold, fruity, gourmet with beer, coffee, and vanilla. These perfumes are long-lasting for daily wear, work, commuting, dates, parties, and night outings. These are gift-ready luxury fragrances, and they are ideal for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, Valentine's Days, and any other special occasions. You can also create your own unique perfume by layering 2 fragrances to boost longevity and depth. And let's try this. I will take Dawn Rose. Wow. Oh my god. The smells so amazing. Oh wow. I kind of like it. Do it with Midnight Poppy. Wow, this is such a beautiful mix. Oh my god, this is so nice. You can easily mix this floral, citrus, woody, or musky notes for a customized scent that evolves all day. You can enjoy a rich, multi-layered aroma. It's perfect for daily wear or nights out. They're beginner-friendly and ideal for anyone seeking personalized, long-lasting fragrance experience. This perfume is also formulated with a commitment to safety and sustainability practices. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens. Same is boring, different is real.